Hey guys, today I will show you how to find the circumference of the circle of a given radius and also how to find the area of that circle with a given radius. So let's say, for example, you are given a circle with a radius 2 centimeters and you need to figure out the circumference. So there is a formula to calculate the circumference, and usually letter C stands for circumference and it equals 2 pi r, where r is the radius, which is 2, and pi is a fixed number in maths. It's a special number in maths. It's a digital, infinite, but we're not going to go that deep. So all you do is just substitute. So your r, in this case, it's 2, and all you do is just figure out your c. So it becomes 2 pi. You wanna keep it in your formula, and you multiply it by 2. And all you need to do is just simplify it down as much as you can, as much as possible. 2 times 2, that would leave you with 4 pi. Now, if you are required to get the answer in a decimal form, in an approximation, so all you do is just punch 4 pi into your calculator and you will get that approximation. Now, sometimes you are not required to leave your answer in this approximation form, so you could leave your answer like this. So that's gonna be your final answer with pi in it, or you could say as a multiple of pi. Now, the second question might be raised: how to figure out the area of this circle. So again, the area can be given by the following formula. It's basically pi r squared, where again pi is a fixed number in maths. It's the same pi, and r is the radius of the circle. And all you do is just plug in your radius into this formula and simplify it down. Make sure you get it in the simplest form possible, as normal as usual. So it becomes, so again, a, the capital letter A, it usually stands for the area of basically any shape. So in this case it becomes, so you want to leave your pi in your answer, times, and you have this 2 raised to the second power, and it's basically a piece of cake. So 2 squared or 2 times 2 is just 4 pi. So again, if it comes to evaluating, to working out this number as a decimal, you basically punch it into your calculator and you would end up getting something like decimal approximation. So go for this, but sometimes you are required just to leave your answer as a multiple of pi. So that's gonna be your answer. So in this problem, don't forget to add the unit. So since you are given centimeters, so the area usually expressed as a centimeters unit squared, and that's important. So you have to attach the unit to your answer. And circumference, get back to circumference, it's the linear actually, so it's just centimeters, the unit, no square. So this is square. All right, I hope it was helpful to you guys. Thanks for watching, and Jane O'Brien.